decided to come for a little walk. It's the first time I've been out since we had a drop of rain, which was very much needed. And I'm so filled with deep gratitude to see that there is some greenery here. As you can see in the background, the sun is beginning to set. And there's just such a peaceful feeling, bathed in the colour of green, in the energy that heals and restores and helps us to reconnect with Earth. As I walk, I'm always drawn to the different textures. We might not have the prettiest of flowers here, but they have beautiful contrast of colour, texture, shape. And I'd just like to take a moment to thank them. Thank them for having the courage to grow here, where there's often not enough water, where it can be so hot and dry. And yet they have the courage to thrive, to inspire us on, and to show us that we each have beauty in our own unique ways. And the different grasses and the different textures, they feed the soul in their own unique way. Some seem so delicate. Some wild fennel growing, it smells delicious. Wish I could share the smell with you when you brush past it. The trees round here are mostly almond trees. Everything that grows here does so under fairly harsh conditions. And yet, there is much beauty to be found. And as I go for my walks, I like to see which birds are out and about. Often see pigeons. When I'm lucky, I see a woodpecker. And if I'm very lucky, I might even spot an eagle sometimes. They tend to be a little camera shy. And as I take my walk, I just like to bathe in the gratitude and breathe and feel the vibrancy within me and the vibrancy around me, and that which connects us, that subtle feeling which connects us all, which you can really appreciate when you're not distracted by the busyness. Thank you for sharing with me.